I've just come over the road from work because I got a call to say that a big delivery had arrived, and yes, it's a lot bigger than I thought it was going to be. This is one of our 3D printers that will be used as part of the artist residency. It's quite exciting. It's even on its own little pallet, so I'm glad I popped over. I came over because I thought, oh, better not let it get rained on. So here we go. I've got to try and move it in. I don't know where I'm going to put it so that I can still get the car out. Done. Hopefully I'll still be able to get the car out. That should be fine. Easy. Some undercoat is going on here. Exciting. Finally getting around to doing the painting. Undercoating the walls. It's going to be good. Yay. Okay, so we've got a new light fitting. All right, so what's happening?
That's the brightest setting.
Yep.
All right.
Oh, I see.
If I go to the middle setting.
Oh, well, that's a warm light.
Yeah.
Yep.
And the other setting, even warmer.
Oh, okay. I think we want... Is there one labelled daylight or something? Is one of them called daylight?
No, just 1, 2 and 3.
Is there instructions?
Yeah.
Let's have a look at the instructions, because we want really the one that is most accurately going to represent daylight.
My sunny nature.
Yeah, that's what we're going for. Your sunny nature.
Call me that, Sunny Jimbo.
Shh, right. Oh, here we go. It's warm white, cool white, or daylight. That's what we want.
Daylight. Daylight.
Yep. There we go. Lovely. It's good to know you can change it though. Who knew? Right, excellent. Okay, go. That looks warm.
Yeah, it is.
So you've got to...
Middle set, factory setting, that one.
Okay, so we've got to switch it to daylight.
Alright.
Yep, daylight. You've got to switch it to. Can you switch them all to daylight before you install them? Yeah, so daylight.
Full daylight.
Yes, it has to be.
Yeah, I know. There you go.
No,
it'll just go up there eventually.
Yeah, it's going to look good. So we're getting our rows of lights set up. So it's going to be really good. We'll have 2 rows and then they'll go one every second bay. There'll be a light. It's going to look good. So you can see here where they've started the re-stumping of the house. So every day for the next 3 weeks there'll be some guys here working on this. I'm at work, so I don't tend to see them, but I was home yesterday and it was very noisy and loud, but it is happening. So you can see they've taken the edges off the house and they are going to re-stump the whole house so it will be level. You can see the old stumps here, so you can see why they needed replacing. A lot of the ends are just absolutely worn away into little stakes. But while I'm out here showing you the re-stumping, also have a look at these beautiful roses that are coming out. Oh, they're just stunning. Unfortunately, they've got a few aphids on them, so I'll have to try and sort that out. But just look at the colours. And the lemon tree's doing its thing. Got some new flowers coming out there. Lovely. And look at the colour of these. Just amazing. Beautiful.
I'm just doing this little bit.
Yeah. Yeah, it's good. So we've got a row happening. Obviously that one there will get taken out. So we've got 3 there, and then there'll be 1 more to go in there. Nice one. This is the other side of the house, where you can see they've got all their stuff happening. Lots of holes. At least spring is sort of happening. Very grey skies today, but yeah, the garden's still looking pretty good. So you can see there where they've taken all the white boards off this part of the floor. So basically after this, the stumps will last longer than the actual house. It's a bit weird when you see your house being held up just by thin little stumps like this. I mean, I know there's a lot of them, but there's something quite strange about seeing your house like that. Here's my pink paint colours, potential colours for the house in different light. It's quite rainy and grey today, so this is what they look like when it's not sunny. I'm still not really feeling any of them. I think they're a little bit too washed out. Some more scary stumps that have come out from under the house. So you can see there what it's supposed to look like and what it was actually looking like. So this job is definitely time to be done. Here are all 6 lights installed. So later on and at night we'll come out and see how much light they actually give off. Looks good. I'm on my way to work and I've just come outside and the whole driveway is covered in snails. I guess they're on their way to work as well. They're just everywhere. So I'll tiptoe my way down the driveway without running over a snail. Hey mate. Here's another one. There's quite a few little tiny baby ones. Oh. Okay, off to work.